Hey people, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix blurry reels on Instagram using Android. So if I go for a new reel from here and go for reel and camera, okay, just I shoot this from here, go for shoot and okay, done, then go for next. Again go for next. Now you have to go for here, which is advanced settings, scroll down and slider on of this upload at highest quality. You have to always upload reels or anything on highest quality. After that, your any reel or anything can't be blurry. So yeah, that's the process. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.